What does hourglass emoji on Snapchat mean? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll explain what hourglass emoji on Snapchat means. You may have noticed an addition to the critic emojis that sometimes appear next to your friend's name on Snapchat. Now, if you go to Snapchat and open chats, you must be familiar with streaks, and besides streaks, sometimes you'll find the hourglass emoji. Now, since I don't have any with my friends, I'll quickly go into my browser and show you one. Here you can see the hourglass emoji right here. Now what does this mean? It means that the streak is about to expire or is about to disappear. Well, in Snapchat, if both of the users that have been maintaining streaks doesn't send snap to each other within 24 hours, then the streaks will be deleted and you'll have to restart from the beginning. So an hourglass means that your snap streak with a friend is about to expire, so you better get snapping and send it, and hope that the friend has sent it too within 24 hours, so this way your streak won't be deleted. So hourglass is a warning before your streak disappears. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.